Hi mga ka-locals! Grabe, ang laki nitong chicken na to and it comes with some only rice and gravy as well. Kaya naman today, let's visit El Pollo Loco. Love their festive interiors but syempre, we're here to try this super sulit El Pollo Frito. It's bigger pa than my face and may only gravy and rice pa siya. You can also upgrade it to their loco rice. And I must say, sobrang sulit niya. And ang sarap nung chicken. It's perfectly fried and with the gravy even better. Plus, syempre, the 4 pieces loco way. Yung flame grilled chicken nila, always the best. Especially pa when you pair it with their freshly made salsa and tortilla as well. I love eating it this way talaga, but sobrang funny lang. Kasi yung family ko nainggit sa kinain ko, so they had some delivered from the bistro group. Kasi meron na ring party trays ang El Pollo Loco. You can choose from different options and it's good na for 3 to 4 packs. Perfect talaga for family gatherings or office events. Kaya naman, if you haven't tried El Pollo Loco, take this as your sign na to check them out. Kaya mga ka-locals, kain tayo!